Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start in Chrome because it can scan QR codes directly. First, open Chrome and make sure camera permission is allowed. This is required so the browser can read codes. On mobile, tap the address bar and look for the QR code icon. Tap it to open the scanner. On desktop, click the three dots, choose More Tools, then look for a QR code generator/scan option if available. Once done, position the code in frame and wait for Chrome to detect it automatically. Now you position and capture the code with steady hands. Hold your phone about 1/2 to 1 meter away and center the QR square in Chrome's scanner. This distance helps the camera focus. Make sure lighting is even, avoid reflections or heavy backlight because glare stops detection. After Chrome reads the code, it shows a preview or a URL. Tap the preview to open, or copy the link if you want to paste it elsewhere. This confirms what you're about to access. Finish by acting on the scanned content. Open the link, save contact info, or follow instructions. If nothing happens, make sure Chrome is updated and that camera permission is still enabled. Permissions can flip after updates. If the scanner keeps failing, close and reopen Chrome, or try scanning a different QR to isolate the problem. As a last resort, use your device camera app or a dedicated QR app, because some Chrome versions or desktops may lack built-in scanning support.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.